channel. Y'all, I hope you all are doing well today. I am. So I wanted to present you all with this beautiful mirrored wall decor. Y'all know I love my mirrored wall decor. So we're going to use these beautiful black gems that I got from Amazon. We're going to use our clear glue, of course. And we're going to use this big round wooden piece. I got this from, I think, Hobby Lobby. And we're going to use this mirror. I got this mirror from, let's see, I think it was Michael's. So y'all, I'm going to use something else, but I'm not sure what it is for these edges. I'm gonna see once I'm done, you know, halfway through the project. Oh, and we're gonna use these little blocks that I got from Dollar Tree. So y'all, let's get with it. Okay, Glam Fam, so I decided to paint the inside of the wooden circle black, and then the edge is silver. I should have painted this silver as well, but I did not. So we're going to just continue on with it. I decided that I may use these mosaic tile pieces, and I may use, well, I am definitely going to use these. This is some chrome border, like for your car or whatever. I use these all the time. I've used it in several projects. So you can get this from Amazon or like your local AutoZone or like O'Reilly's or whatever. So, you know. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and put this on the, put it around the wooden circle. Okay, Glam Fam, so the next thing we're going to do is we're going to use our mirror. I know it's dirty, but y'all, oh well. Then we're going to go ahead and put our blocks. We're going to glue our blocks on our mirror. So as you can see, I've already put the blocks on, and I decided to add a little lighting to it. So I'm putting some of the lighting on here. Y'all, this DIY seriously is like it's like an as you go thing because I'm coming up with stuff as I go. And I want to say to my friend Carlton, he was like, put lighting on, you know, people are into lighting. So that's what motivated me to actually use some lighting. So thank you, Carlton. Okay, so this is how it's gonna look. It's not a whole lot of lighting, but it'll work. So I'm just gonna turn it over. And I'm gonna try to center it as much as I possibly can. So I'm gonna, when I hang this, I'm gonna use some 3M, the strips. I'm gonna use those, but what you can do is you still, like if you hold the mirror to the side, you still will be able to see where it cuts on and cuts off it. So that's what I'm gonna hope to be able to still see where it cuts on and cuts off. Okay, so the next thing we're gonna do is we're going to lay our glue down, and I hope this is even. I hope it is even as possible. We're gonna go ahead and lay our clear glue. And y'all know I have been using, I don't know if I have previous videos, but hairspray is really good for holding some of this stuff. So afterwards, I usually, if I'm gonna keep it, I usually use like hairspray or something. It gotta be glue. It was good hairspray to use to, you know, as an adhesive for this. And this is something I think I'm gonna make another one, and I'm gonna use it in my living room because I really do. You know, like the style of this and everything. So I may use this in my living room. So I forgot to get the brush. So bear with me. So we're just going to smooth this glue around. You want to use a generous amount. It's not going to move. It's just going to sit, so you want to make sure that you're using a generous amount. Especially when you're keeping it. If you're not keeping it, I wouldn't use a whole lot of glue, but I think I'm going to keep this for a while, so. Now, just let me tell y'all, my granddaughter, she was in my craft room and she literally dropped all of these diamonds on the floor. Y'all, I was so upset. But she bumped into the table, so you may see other colored gems in here because I had to get these gems off the floor. I was so upset. But, you know, it was a mistake, so we picked it up together and moved on. Okay, so hopefully that's in the middle. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna let everything dry. I am gonna glue this down, y'all. I just needed to get around and see where I needed to place everything. So I'm hoping to God that it is in the middle. So what I'm gonna do is, and I wonder, let me see, I'm trying to see if you can see the lighting on it. Probably not as much as I would like for y'all to see. Now I can see it, but you probably can't. But anyway, I'm gonna go ahead and glue the middle. Y'all, I'm just gonna wait, and because I want this mirror in the middle to be I hope it be even. So let's just go ahead and do the edges of this. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and use this mirror tile to go around the edges of the mirror. Okay, now some of you may ask, how do you keep these? You change the batteries on here. So let me just tell y'all what I do. I buy the batteries from Home Depot, and those batteries usually last a long time, maybe a year. By then, honey, I'm doing something else. So I'm just gonna go and glue it down, y'all, so we can. I'm like, I want to make sure. And I'm only gonna put a little. I ain't gonna put a lot, because just in case, you know. But this is the what is it? Gorilla. I think it's the Gorilla Glue or whatever. So I think it'll hold pretty good. Let me turn this off. And hopefully y'all is in the center. I don't want to take it off, y'all. So I'm hoping this is in the center. Okay. So we're gonna go ahead and let that dry, and then I'm going to keep doing our tiles. Loving this mirror already. Like, it is so pretty. So this is the end result of the mirror, y'all. It is so pretty. I love this. This camera is not doing justice, y'all. I'm gonna make 2 of these, and I'm gonna put it in my living room. I'm redoing my living room. So y'all, it is so pretty. I love it. Got the light off so y'all can see the light, because all the other lights are on in the room. But this is how it looks, y'all. It is so pretty. If y'all like what you see, you know what to do. Like, comment, and subscribe to my channel for more glam DIY.